All right, so over the last year, we've done a number of videos on Floki, and it's a project that we've been talking about for a couple of years now, and since we did a video just about a year ago, the project is up nearly 10x. So if you look at our video, we talked about it when it was at $300 million market cap. Currently, Floki's trading right around a $2.5 billion market cap, and this is why I always tell you guys, it's so important to find projects that are quality projects, that have a strong community, that are doing real things in the crypto space, because long term, these are the projects that are going to make you millions of dollars, and you don't have to worry about using leverage and risking your money. You can simply find projects that are doing real things in the crypto space, invest in those projects, sit back, and then over time, they simply appreciate in value. And Floki is all about that, because Floki is actually a community takeover project. Because back in 2021, we talked about this project, and in 2021, Floki was rugged by its initial developers. That was a problem, but actually it was even rugged twice. And the important thing about it is that this project still survived and still built a massive community with multiple projects connected to it, with games coming out, and they've been able to do this even though the original developers of the project rugged it. And that's something that's so important, because it shows you that this project is not about making one or two people money. It's all about the community and building something real long term, because those people who were all about the money at the beginning, they lost everything, they rugged the project. Like, now they're no longer involved, and now the project is 100 times larger than it ever was. And that's what I really like about Floki. It's a top 60 crypto by market cap, and if we're looking at Floki, it's currently at that $2.5 billion market cap, which is still off slightly from its all-time record highs, right around, a $3.5 billion market cap. But I think this cycle, we're going to see Floki reach all-time record highs that we have never seen before, because recently we've seen a few major milestones take place for Floki. The first is that Floki was just launched over on Coinbase. This made me extremely excited about the project, and actually resulted in quite a decent boost in price for the project. So we saw that once it had that listing, we saw, a nice little boost with the price. That's when Coinbase officially listed it. It was in November 21st, 2024. In addition to Coinbase listing Floki, we also saw that Kraken listed it as well. This is on the same exact day, and that was massive because it was available for users in the US and Canada. And seeing that we saw Coinbase, and we also saw Kraken, we saw big US exchanges listed, that brought in hundreds of millions of dollars instantly of volume into the project, which is exactly what you want to see. But not only this, we've also seen a few exciting things happen with TokenFi, because TokenFi is the platform that we did a video on a year ago. It's their platform when I said, look, Floki and TokenFi, this changes everything. And when I did this video, I was talking all about TokenFi, how it was up and coming and it was just about to launch. And then now they have a few very important updates with it, because we've seen with TokenFi, if we go ahead and take a look at their website, TokenFi is all about becoming the standard tokenization process for the crypto space. They're trying to make it extremely simple and easy for people to tokenize projects, because the tokenization and RWA market is projected to be a $6 trillion industry. This is like what BlackRock, major institutions say. So with TokenFi, they're making it extremely simple for users to go about creating a token or tokenize a real-world asset in just a simple few clicks, all directly on their platform. And I think that's why we've seen so much success with not only TokenFi's token, but also Floki as well. And if we're taking a look at also like Floki's trading bot, another one of their features, we can see that the trading bot crossed over like $100 million in volume just today. You can see $100 million of volume as of today. So that's like all the way from its launch up until today, over 700,000 users, 60,000 trades. Like, we did a video on this as well. I showed you guys exactly how to use their trading bot. I placed trades in the video, and I'll link that video down below. But this is something that was so exciting because it's driving more volume, more excitement, like helping Floki's price go up long term, because if people are using the trading bot, it's going to benefit Floki's token as well. So I'll put the video down below showing you guys exactly how to do it, but it is one of the most easy and simple to use trading bots out there. You just have to go to Telegram, download the bot, and it's so simple. You can just click start trading now, open up your Telegram, and then basically in a few clicks you could already be trading. Extremely simple. So that's something that I also really like about it. So now I want to talk about a few other major updates, things that are coming up, because they've been talking about a game launching for quite a while. That's Valhalla. They've been talking about a few other projects that are connected to them that are going to be very exciting. And I want to talk about those because if we're looking at it, we can see that with Floki, they talked about this just a couple of weeks ago. They said, look, all you need to know about the wise monkey. Monkey airdrop to Floki token and ape holders. It says, as we initially revealed in our official announcement about the Wise Monkey launch, Wise Monkey has allocated 35% of the total monkey supply to the Floki community. And it talked all about it in this article right here, where it says, it's going to say, all you need to know about the Wise Monkey airdrop to Floki, TokenFi, and ApeCoin holders. So this was something that was a real game changer for Floki holders as well, because they're always working on major partnerships to benefit the community. Like I said originally, this project is a true community-driven project. It had community takeover early on, and that is exactly why they're always doing all of these different things to benefit the community and grow the community. So you can see how it says, like, the airdrop breakdown, 35% of the total monkey supply will be airdropped to the Floki ecosystem. 27% will be airdropped to Floki holders on-chain and unsupported centralized exchanges. 4% will be airdropped to users of Floki trading bot, and 4% will be airdropped to token holders on-chain. So this is something that is so easy, so simple to do, because by simply having Floki tokens, you get like airdrops of other tokens as well, and that's something that is just so different than other major projects in the crypto space. They just don't do that. But that's exactly what Floki is about, benefiting their community, rewarding them when they can, having major partnerships when they can. And this document talks all about, the airdrop details and how that happens. So it's just, this is what they've done. It's not the only time they've done this. They continuously try to benefit the community, grow the project, launch new initiatives, launch new games, and that's going to bring us to one of the biggest, which is Valhalla. Because Valhalla, the mainnet launch for Valhalla is delayed and expected to take place in Q1 of 2025. It was supposed to take place around this quarter right now, Q4 of 2024, but they've been building a lot out, adding new features, making sure it's really ready before it's going to be available for their mainnet launch. You can go ahead, click on play now. It says, look, valhalla.game/play. Takes a few minutes to load, and then you'll see all the details about it, but you can see how it says, look, the mainnet is coming available Q1 of 2025. So even though we've seen this pushed back a bit, it's really because, like I said, they always want to make sure quality projects, new products coming out are always fully ready, fully functional. They don't want to release something too early and then it's going to have issues. They want to make sure things are fully ready to go before their community starts using it. And Valhalla is ultimately like a blockchain-based MMORPG inspired game. It's inspired by Norse mythology. We've talked about it in a couple of other videos, but it's offering players a chance to discover and battle and tame creatures in this game they call Veras, and you can see all the details about it. But ultimately, with the project, you can go ahead and play the game now. It's officially going to be launched on mainnet later, but you can just click on Start Journey. You'll see how it starts taking you here. It takes a few minutes to load, and then you can start seeing all the details of this exact game. So pretty cool, pretty exciting to see that, again, the Floki team is doing real things, building out games, and really trying to benefit the community. So I really like that. They have the battle arena, open world, and you can go ahead and click on open world, and it'll show you exactly what the world of Valhalla is. It talks about open world. You can go ahead and look at combat. It'll show you specific details about that. So really, this is a fully functional game set to have its mainnet in Q1 of 2025. Last few things I do want to talk about are going to be with some major partnerships, because If we're looking at Valhalla, they have some major partnerships. Valhalla is partners with Dubai's Mall of the Emirates. It says Valhalla, their play-to-earn massively multiplayer online role-playing game, is proud to announce a massive partnership in the UAE, and this was one of them. They also had another partnership where Floki expands in Dubai with high-impact campaign. As part of Dubai takeover strategy, Floki is kicking off a strategic marketing campaign at WAFI Mall, one of the most iconic malls in Dubai. You can see they had another major partnership where Valhalla says Valhalla takes over Delhi, NCR, India with massive marketing campaign. So like the list goes on and on of who they're partnering with. Like one of these names, you could see like Thorn Jorson, one of the biggest like strongmen to ever exist, biggest names in Instagram and YouTube and that space as well. Like you're seeing that they're always having all of these major partnerships. Like the list just goes on and on with esports organizations and powerhouses in Dubai. You could see that they just have lines and lines of people waiting to partner with them. And that's really what I like about the project. So if you're looking at what's going on with Floki, there's so much to be excited about, so many major developments coming up. And this is why, like I said a year ago, buying projects that are quality long-term is exactly what you want to do. This project was at a $300 million market cap. Now it's at a $2.5 billion market cap. And long-term, the quality projects are always going to win. And Floki is a meme coin. It was born as a meme coin, but it's much more than that now. So that's why I own it. I think this project can still do 5x from where we're currently at in this market cycle. And it's a much safer bet than a small meme coin where it's likely going to go to zero.